Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about preparing your app for deployment. To streamline the codebase, remove extraneous print statements and troubleshoot any bugs present. Validate the correctness of all file paths for the production environment. Verify and replace any hard-coded variables that require modifications for deployment. For instance, a web application may need to adjust database connection settings when moving from a local server to a live server. Similarly, a mobile app may need the API endpoint URLs updated when transitioning from a staging to a production environment. By addressing these issues, you enhance the reliability and efficiency of the deployment process. Preparing your app for deployment is like setting up a restaurant before opening for business. Just like a restaurant needs to clean, organize, and stock their kitchen before serving customers, an app needs to be thoroughly tested, optimized, and packaged before being released to users. Each dish on the menu in a restaurant corresponds to a different feature or functionality in the app, all of which must be carefully prepared and presented in a user-friendly way. Just as a restaurant must also train their staff to provide excellent service, an app developer should ensure their support team is knowledgeable and ready to assist users with any issues that may arise post-launch. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The provided code snippet showcases a Flask application that simulates a restaurant management system. The application features functionality for users to interact with a menu, place orders, and receive order confirmations akin to a real-world restaurant scenario. Upon running the Flask application, a local server is created to handle incoming HTTP requests. The /route directs users to the home page where they can view the menu items available. The menu itself, defined as a dictionary with item names as keys and their prices as values, is rendered using an HTML template. When a user places an order by clicking on an item, a POST request is sent to the /order route. The server captures the selected item from the form data and checks if it exists in the menu. If the item is found, a confirmation message is returned to the user, indicating the order was received along with the total price. The code encourages modularity by separating concerns into distinct routes for rendering the menu and processing orders. By organizing code in this fashion, developers can easily maintain and extend functionality, reflecting the importance of code readability and scalability in app deployment preparations. This example emphasizes best practices in app development, where meticulous planning and testing are crucial for delivering a refined user experience. Just as a restaurant ensures its operations are well prepared before opening, app developers must meticulously prepare and optimize their applications to guarantee a seamless experience for end users when deploying their apps. Another real-world example related to preparing an app for deployment can be seen in the context of a logistics company implementing a tracking application for monitoring the movement of goods and shipments. The application would allow users to input tracking numbers for specific packages, view their current status, location, estimated delivery time, and receive notifications when there are updates or changes to the delivery schedule. By ensuring that the application is well prepared for deployment, the logistics company can provide accurate and real-time information to customers, streamline their operations, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. Conducting thorough testing, optimizing performance, and ensuring scalability are crucial steps in ensuring the app functions efficiently and reliably. In conclusion, the process of preparing an application for deployment is essential in various industries, including the food service industry and logistics sector, as it ensures that the app functions smoothly, providing users with a seamless and satisfactory experience. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.